Good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm here to present to you the use of visual coding. So, my name is General Cañares. So, familiar naman ba kayo sa Hyperfolio? So, what is the use of Hyperfolio? Give lang sa review sa examples. Past examples.
To gather some achievements and information.
Yes, right. Please clap for Mr. Pass. So, the use of e-portfolio is naman yung sinabi ni Pass to gather works, goals, and achievements, reflect on their learnings, share their learnings, and receive feedback and feed forward. Students can use e-portfolios to document their progress and achievements, which can be used for grading and teaching students. So, next, here are the types of e-portfolio to convey to
Types of portfolio.
what lang?
Learning portfolio. Document student learning progress.
So the learning portfolios is dito mo mag-base yung learning progress ng student or na mag-enhance pa yung mag-enhance mo kanyang yung learnings. So next is showcase portfolio.
Bawa, grabe. Grabe mga pili. Libudlay ba?
So, showcase portfolios, highlights the skills. So here, ito mo may nalagay yung mga achievements mo, yung very or nag-workal. So, yan mo nalagay yung mga achievements mo. So, next is the assessment portfolio.
Grabe, mantana. Bo. Grabe, babud-libud lagi pagpilit niya.
So, the assessment portfolio, dito mo malalaman yung mga, dito mo nalagay yung mga, natutunan ng mga students, examples, yung mga exams nila, yung mga quiz nila, and yung lahat. So, next is, some examples ng online e-portfolio platform. So, here, dito mo, ang mga platform na pwede kang makagawa ng mga e-portfolio. So, first is, Maharaw, can read?
Mahara. Mahara provides users with an e-portfolio platform combined with various sharing options. An e-portfolio is a space where staff and students can record evidence of learning, such as essays, artwork, or other such things they produce that can be stored digitally.
Next is Google Workspace. So, indeed, Mr. Raymond.
Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a collection of cloud-based productivity and collaboration tools that includes apps like Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Documents, Sheets, Slides, Meet, Chat, Forms, and Tricks.
So, next is the Green Basis.
Pati yung walang video mo, hindi ka ron. Rinig ba yan?
Subside diary of it's an American web hosting published in San Francisco, California. Founded in 2006 by David Senko, Chris Panini, and Dan Belby, the company has provide user-friendly website that makes it.
So, last is the Fix and Read.
Ano yung ginagamit?
Mr. Dirogao. Wix was designed so that anyone with computer can build their own website, make or charge. You are welcome to use Wix for free for access to as many main sites as well. So here are the some examples of mga